I think I need to make a vlog soon about cooking tutorial.
Yes.
And this is Roma Way. This video is dedicated for those food lovers.
Tinbig ambari mixed with the little baked pasta.
We are here in Roma Way and we are choosing what to eat. We want the Italian cuisine. We want to let them watch this cooking session, cooking tutorial of Mr. Kendall. Brother, I think you need to talk while cook. Now we have to put this. We have to put this sauce. Yes, and you need to mix together while the fire is on. And this is the viewer.
I see everything is vegetable.
Nice, huh, brother?
They will cook here.
We want shrimp pasta. First, you need to put the shrimp.
Where's this?
That is shrimp. That is the one, yeah. So you need to saute the shrimp for some few minutes, and then you need to put the pasta.
Can you mix with the...
And you need to put seasoning, that is salt. And then you need to boil the pasta. We have a cooking lesson. Macaron na ate. Can you please? No, wait. Which one you? What you want? What? Undecided?
Mix.
Type mix. You need to reheat this pasta. What? Kudar. Yes, I want everything.
Pullo, brother.
Mushroom. You want this, and this. This olive, carrots, mushroom, broccoli. And you need to put the vegetables. I like that. Too much vegetables. All your vegetables should be mixed together. Oh, it looks delicious. And it melts and it is it looks delicious and it looks delicious and it smells delicious. We have to wait for some seconds or minutes until it is fully cooked, and also you need to put some spices. Oh my god. Yes. Nice? If it is okay, then okay, no problem.
Hindi na mix na niya.
Paano ka? My goodness. Tada! Okay. Brother, don't concentrate too much there. Say hi to my vlog. YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So now we are waiting for it to be fully cooked, and then after that we will be able to taste what is shrimp pasta taste like. And this is the shrimp pasta. It's time to eat. Enjoy your meal.